All right, the drink we're about to make is called the Alamo Splash. First, we're going to add some ice to the glass here. And we're going to do a shot of good old tequila. Everyone's a fan of tequila in San Antonio when they check out the Alamo. We're also going to do about an ounce of orange juice. There we go. And half an ounce of pineapple juice. And just a splash of your favorite lemon lime soda. There we go. And let's mix this up. Now there's a great thing about this drink that after you've got it all ready to go and you set up a glass and give it a pour, there's a very important thing that you must do. It works best if you have a large group of people at the bar and you can all enjoy an Alamo Splash. Let's give it a straw and all at once yell, "Remember the Alamo." Bottoms up.